Yo guys, welcome back. It's your boy Keys. We're live on Apollox, and this is the community rewards update. So currently we have 243 bronze participants on Apollox. We have 66 silver users and 19 gold users, while just 3 platinum members on the Apollox and challenge. So you can see there's still lots of space for users to partake in this competition. So it says the community rewards program status update. It's been nearly a month since Apollox launched their community rewards program. So for the community rewards ranking, this is it. Platinum seems to be the highest ranking position on the platform. So you can try as much as possible to be a gold member or a silver member. They say level up to APX silver to stand the chance to get whitelisted for our upcoming product launch. So if you get an opportunity to be a silver, you just need to you'll be lucky enough to get whitelisted for APX silver product launch and more. You say how to level up, engage in community discussions, get awarded with a randomized amount of XP for your messages. So guys, you try as much as possible not to spam. All you need to do is just to keep chatting up, replying, showing assistance to new users who have questions on how to utilize the Apollox platform on Apollox Discord and Telegram group. People who might want to learn, or you can also drop your findings, drop your suggestions, bring up topics that are related to APX. You could decide to you could do a technical analysis on the APS project or APS token. You could just show your feedbacks, your do comparison. So I think just something that is on topic with the Apollo X project. So you said you should know that your SP may be removed or you may be disqualified from the rewards if you found with spamming messages. So that is it. So you guys, wishing you guys success on this project. See you in our future uploads. Stay safe, your bad keys, and one love.